anything that you like to do or start. So that's one thing that I realized, and honestly, when I learned about that, when I found out that not everyone is going to wish for you well or wish you well, I realized I had sometimes you have to stand on your own, like on your own, and do it your way, because who told the first person who started that thing, that very thing that you're doing? Who told them? No one, no one. Told them, Charlie, Javika. Nenge just kugola wele, olizo that is in me. So yeah, that's a thing. You have to understand that no one is going to be there for you 100%. You also have to be sure that, yeah, you're ready for a